Sup. All right. So we're back on IT Simulator. I haven't played since they last updated it. I played like the day it came out, and I said I was going to play it again. I hadn't played it since. But that changes today because I took some PTO and I'm going to use that to play virtual IT instead of IRL IT. I'll call it World 2. And they actually let you skip the tutorial now. That's clutch. Shorten the day. That's cool too. Keep it on medium. I remember for the most part how to play, but I'm probably gonna have to relearn everything. But man, feels good to sit down and play something, man. Have not done this in a while. Have not played mini games at all in a while. Just fired some stuff up here and there, but let's see. How do you check mail? I thought those showed up in my tasks. But maybe that's just like in the email when you check it inside on the computer. Let's see. Clock in. I don't think I use this. Nah, I don't use this. Christmas time? That's funny. They got all the lights and stuff. That's cool. Got a sandwich. All right, let's see. Mail. Can't create a folder. Permissions. Elizabeth needs permissions. Man, I want to mute those notifications. I forgot how annoying that was. That alert sound gets old quick. It's so loud. I turned the notification sound down also in like the settings, and it's still loud. I turned it to like 50%. Called My Projects. Elizabeth. Where's Elizabeth? In the warehouse? There she is. Wait. This one. We haven't done much of anything. I haven't uploaded much. That's mostly because I just been busy. Like last year, I probably uploaded the least amount, or just did the least amount on YouTube, period, in 2025. And that's mostly by choice. Had a lot of stuff I had to do around the house, and then also work got busier. My direct report at work retired, and I got a new boss. So it's like a bunch of stuff changed at work. I wanted to make sure I was on top of that. And YouTube just kind of took a back seat. But I'm hoping that changes here soon. I'm hitting my stride back at work. Like everything's kind of starting to settle back down after the shakeup. So I can't even get to the downloads folder? So this user is completely... I feel like this is some like Active Directory stuff that I forgot about. I don't know if this is something I can change on this machine. Control panel. Account type. Okay. So now I at least know. I don't know this though. So yeah, they added new stuff to help with this. Forget. So let's see, tablet. That's just like the one-time password. How do I get to... What's just the admin password? So that's what I'd put in here in these notes. Forgot about this tablet. Oh man, this is annoying because I probably got to go back to my computer to get this information. Yeah, that's the annoying part. I didn't like... Well, I guess they added the notes thing on the tablet to help with this. I forgot. You have to like transfer files from the desktop to the tablet so you can read stuff when you're out to other machines. I just want my stuff to sync. vpn.storage.dent.com. Oh my gosh. It's just as frustrating as real life. My tablet's not connected to the network. I'm already frustrated. That didn't take long. Where's the password? Maybe I should have played the tutorial again. What is PowerShell? I can check my email at least. Oh, there's the network password. What kind of file type is this? Jonathan, thanks for subscribing if you're here, or if that's just a regular viewer subscribing on a regular video. Okay. Dude. For me to be joining this IT team, they sure don't have anything that's necessary to download. Like, how is there not a PDF reader already on the machine? Meet me halfway. Okay. Melon pink exclamation point 2025. Can't tab? Doesn't tell me what type. Yeah, just user. Seems like my connect button isn't even working. Weird. I don't know. Oh, the monitor has monitor settings. That's cool. All right. Let's see what my tasks are. I might try a different task. Just getting anything set up is... it's weird. Okay, so I got my PDF viewer. What else do I need? I've got my passwords. Yeah, this is the only one with a password. Yeah, that's what I'm typing. That's what I'm typing. I don't know. I'm stumped. Just read through more of those emails. Maybe there's something I'm missing. Maybe everything's there. CEO. Blah, blah, blah. Nobody cares, Jack. HR. So that's the VPN. More VPN stuff. Brother, I don't care about this right now. I'm just trying to get on the Wi-Fi. Let's just handle that first. Network password. Is it a different network? I'm going to be so mad if that was a different network password I was supposed to connect to. Or connect with. VPN to Wi-Fi network. Oh my god, it is a different password, I bet. Oh, or I was supposed to type in this URL. Okay, so I had the right password. I just jumped the gun and didn't follow the instructions just for the tablet. The tablet has its own instructions. And this is so aggravating because I have to type this. I have to put the tablet in my hands and then I have to type it. Like, I guess this is why I have the notepad, but this is so annoying because I gotta like remember this and type it. This is my least favorite part. Okay, so that all stayed. All right. Storage.wiki.lan. wpad.dat. Oh, man. Again, I get it. I get it. But still annoying. All right, so what was the next thing? VPN. Now that I'm connected, I should be able to... Authenticator? 46. And we're in there. Okay, VPN. That's done. Got the passwords installation system. Okay, that's how you image a machine. And then these passwords. I need these. So how do I get these onto the tablet? That's what I want. I want all those passwords on the tablet. Okay. Is that Instagram? Oh, their actual Instagram. That's funny. Okay. Oh, I could download them from here, right? Now that I'm on the internet. Nope, the PDFs aren't in the emails on the tablet. You know, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I'm not gonna let this stress you out on your day off. I just want to get a PDF from the machine onto my tablet. Cloud data. Let's see. I'm not gonna do what everybody thinks I'm gonna do. Flip out. All right, cloud data. Heyo. Save to device. So now, there it is. Welcome to 2009, baby. We got the cloud working. I'm unstoppable. So now, so there's my admin for PCs. Admin XL. So now I can take this to Elizabeth's machine. I like how it's highlighted. That's cool. Admin XL. Can't remember exactly. Security 123 exclamation point. Admin. I should have went with the black mouse cursor. The white cursor is not good. The settings for one of the accounts has been changed. To what? Change account type. Change account type. What did it change to? Nothing changed. Change account type. Well, that's a good sign. It's making me log in again. Maybe it worked. Nope. Still a standard account. Oh, I'm using a domain account. I didn't even read the manual. Can't change the account type because you're using a domain account. Deprioritization grants and revokes permissions. So I need to do this from another machine? This is so annoying. I gotta go on like Active Directory to do this. Okay, so I know at least... So maybe I need to do this from my computer? starting to get back into the swing of it. Remember how tedious this game is, though. It's like everything has its own little workflow. And nothing's easy. Nothing's simple, I mean. I'll say nothing's easy. Nothing's simple. Let's see. There's got to be like an Active Directory somewhere. If I can't change that from the machine, from that machine, I should be able to change it from this one. I haven't seen anything about like an Active Directory. I wonder, is it something simple? Like she just wasn't. Let me just look again. Maybe I'm just thinking about this all wrong. Can't tab to another text box. Is annoying, actually. And enter doesn't use yes. That's annoying also. You can't change the account type because you're using a domain account. The organization grants or revokes permissions. So I have to log in as the organization to do this. So yeah, so I have to do it from another machine. Okay, so that has to mean that. There's no other meaning behind that. Is that I have to do this from the organization account, not a domain account or whatever it said. Not a regular account. So does that mean I can go in the control panel and do it from here? Manage another account. See? I don't get it. Your organization grants or revokes permissions. I am the organizations. I'm IT. I am the organization. But it says that for my machine also. So maybe I am barking up the wrong tree. Maybe that is not what I'm supposed to do. Wait, does the task give me any hints? Maybe I'm missing a hint. I don't know if I'm useless or the computer is useless. I'm useless. I'm right there with you, Elizabeth. I can't create a folder. It keeps something about my permissions. And I can't do it. I can't change it from the machine. Can't make you an ad. You don't need to be an admin, though. Yeah, I think I'm going at this all wrong. Elizabeth doesn't need to be an admin. That's not what I'm supposed to be doing. connected. She shouldn't need administrator privileges to open a folder. That's the... So, downloads, documents, desktop. I can't right click to like grant, to try and like grant permissions to edit a folder. There's like nothing I can do on that machine. No, I don't think I need to do anything in this, in the actual rack. Because the machine, it's on the network. Like, it's on the network, it's on the... Like, everything's connected. Oh, this is Windows. It's supposed to be like Windows. I don't know. I don't know any of the Windows terminal commands. So she does not have permission. You currently don't have permission to access this folder. Just connect to the internet. Got an IP. Let's do a scan. Clean. She's clean. It's just mail. Just gonna power it off. Power it back on. Storage, Elizabeth Jones. PC Warehouse 5 is the name of the PC. It's not the VPN, is it? I don't see VPN software on here. Some guidance. swear I used to get tips here. Data for task. Select device. Oh, okay. I think that's where I get the highlight thing from. When I highlight the machine. Yeah. Let's see. It's funny when you look up things for the game, like tips for the game, and it's tips for like the game itself, like it not running on Steam, not the actual like tasks within the game. It's funny. Man, I'm like stuck on this. I really want to figure it out though. I don't care how long it takes me. I'm intrigued now. I don't think I need to give Elizabeth admin privileges though. That seems like a very heavy-handed approach to this, considering that my machine isn't even an admin. I get the same results. You currently do not have. I'm gonna go back to my desk because I've clicked about every button on this machine and have not gotten anywhere. I'm really stumped though. That's the same thing. So there is a properties, but you have to be in the folder. Oh, I think I was supposed to go into her. Oh, man. Just when I think I figured it, I probably didn't. That probably wasn't going to be it. Maybe I was supposed to go into the drive itself and then give myself permissions within the drive itself, since you can't just right click like you normally can on Windows. See, I wish this was more like Windows, or more like a regular operating system. Don't say real, but like it emulated the operating system more. I know they'll probably get there eventually, but the fact that I can't just right click on a folder and go to properties is kind of annoying. Like the operations they're not quite there. Is it still here? Oh, okay, I can still try it. Let's see. But it's like you gotta learn all the quirks of the game first. You gotta really learn how this operating system works. But, you know, that's like real life. If you ran into an operating system you've never used before, this is how it would go. You have to kind of figure it out. Okay, users. But now I can do this. Can I click any of these buttons? I can't select anything. Oh. Talk to me nice. I knew that's how you were supposed to do it. Oh my god, that's so annoying, man. That's so aggravating. It's like, why can't I just right-click it? Just let me right-click it right here and do properties. Why do I have to go all the way in my computer? System, users, Elizabeth. Right-click, properties. Like, it's so aggravating. I gotta learn this OS, man. I gotta learn it. I gotta learn it for this game, for my second job, this game. Alright, so what was the actual task? She wanted a folder named something. A folder named my_projects in my documents. Mark is done. Heyo, it only took us an hour, baby, but got it done. What is my dog barking at? Hold on. Oh yeah, UPS is here. Oh yeah, got my workout in for the day. Ran to the mailbox. Glad stuff is shipping now, though. That's a good sign. The ice storm didn't quite slow everything down for like multiple days. It was a good sprint. And the Crocs, too. Almost lost my grip. There's still some ice outside on the ground. The Crocs saved me, though. Wasn't even in sport mode. Alright. Check the old email. I don't think you can do tasks from here. You can just read the text from the task, or read the text from the emails. You can actually act on them, though. It's a good start of the day, though. Got in and finished that task as soon as I realized how to solve it. The day ended. As soon as the next day started, instantly knew what to do. So if these are all tasks, why don't they show up? Oh, okay, I have to click on them first. Okay. So I'll just go in here and just click on all these. And just kind of get my pick of the litter. Orange wallpaper guy. I can take care of that. Jacob Lee. Orange style. Jacob. Oh yeah, I like that highlight. I have to keep pulling the map up. That was so annoying before this patch. Is like you would have to remember like logistically where the stuff. So you have to open the mini map and then like figure out where you were, like orientate yourself. What did he want? Orange background. System. Which one's more orange? That's a little more orange, I guess. Good? Good enough? No? Not good enough. That's the only orange one. This isn't as orange as this one. Does he want that orange? Maybe that's the orange he wanted. Okay. Sorry, we went burnt orange. He didn't like the burnt orange. Can't clock in with my employee card. That's just the clock-in machine. No connection. I forget how to get to the... You can get to like the BIOS of this thing. Forget how though. Is it booting? Did I break it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did I do? I braked it. I braked it. I'm running away. I'm running away. Printing. The problem is printers aren't visible to them. Caused by the VPN. Can't deal with it right now. Maybe it's caused by the VPN. So them not being on the VPN? To headquarters at all? I don't even know where to start with that. Headquarters is trying to send something to our printer. I don't even know where to start. How do I even know? Yeah, I don't even know what what's part of headquarters? Like, how do I tell what the headquarters network is? I'm assuming it's... Oh, well, there's the printer. So it's at least telling me to go to the printer. What the heck? Where is that thing? There it is. So let's see. Network. Four, 3, 2, 1. What is that? Internet printing protocol? 192.168.10.172. So it's on the 10 dot network. Private network. Let's do enterprise network. Maybe that's it? Nope. Maybe it's caused by the VPN. Why can't I run a diagnostic? Update? Okay. Update available. This probably has nothing to do with anything, but the fact that there's an update available. I don't know, maybe it means something. Or it could just be wasting my time, you know? You never know. Software's on the latest. Connected modules. I don't see anything about VPN here, though. Maybe it's the net. So it says scope of sharing. Multicast DNS. Let's try that. Wide area bonjour. Nope. I don't see anything about VPN here, though. That's the part that is... Maybe it's caused by the VPN. So that means this is the only printer that's not connected. That's implying that other printers work. So is there a printer in like somewhere else I can check? Let's see. What network are you on? You're on the 10 dot. 192.168.10.171. You're on the private network. So you're... IPsec off. Private network. 10.171. Let's see. Yeah, 10.172. Let's try 170. What am I doing here? Oh my god, you can't do any mouse controls on this, or you can't do any keyboard shortcuts on this thing. It's all mouse. So I'll change it to 170. Different. That's probably not a good idea because I have no idea what IPs are. Yeah, probably not the best idea considering I don't know what IPs are available. Not the smartest idea in the world. 172. Just blank. Yeah, I don't know. It is a medium difficulty, and I couldn't even finish the easy difficulty one, so for what that's worth. It says about the VPN. So what? It's almost like, but it's telling me to go to this printer. Like the quest is taking me to like the device. Yeah, 192.168.10.172. Verify and fix. And do a diagnostic. Maybe if I try to print to it. I don't think the problem is I can't print to it. It's that headquarters can't print to it. The printers. Okay, so none of them are caused by the VPN. Okay, so let me just check. VPN.storage.den.com. Network. These random forum posts are funny. Maybe I need to get into the router, maybe. Because this is the 10 dot network router. That's the gateway. No, that's the, yeah, that's the router. 10.1. It's just admin. So you got some ports open. IT room printer. HR room printer. Status is up. So these are just ports on the switch. So DHCP service, there's nothing. Nothing has a DHCP address. Okay, so there's nothing really to do here. So are there settings for the VPN itself? What is this? Okay, so it's the wireless. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Not important either. So these are the two network devices that I can... What is this? Showing like ISP info, my public. It's like the modem. Critical RSRP measurements. Measurement is too low. I don't know what that means. Nothing seems crazy here. I still don't see anything regarding the VPN. I see like information that seems useful. This is the warehouse network. Oh, okay. So these are all the different networks in the building. I see now. All right. So that doesn't tell me anything about the VPN though. Yeah, nothing useful. The problem is the printers aren't visible to them. Maybe it's caused by the VPN. Can't deal with it right now. Maybe it's caused by the VPN. Maybe it's caused by the VPN. Oh, I wasn't even connected to the VPN. I'm like... Oh, I guess the day ended. I'm like, how am I not connected? 3... Authenticate me. Now I'm connected. Alright, so yeah, so locations. Oh. Printers. Those are our printers. 170, the 171 to dot 179. So it said the headquarters. None of these say headquarters? Is that what this means? Oh, that's the clock-in machine. I might go fix that instead. Because I'm stumped on how to get... Unless I'm supposed to, like, go to a different building. Which I don't think that's part of the game. I don't think I'm supposed to, like, go to headquarters. The printers aren't visible to them. Maybe caused by the VPN. Because that sounds like it's in a different building. Headquarters, like... There's nothing in here called headquarters, is it? No. That's like someone from outside the network trying to connect to that printer. But I don't know what else to do with that printer. It's on the local network. It's got an IP address it should be able to use. See if I can print to it. Not sure. Let's see. Jeez. Never mind. You can't do jack squat on this machine. Forget I asked. Yeah, I don't need to be clicking around on this again. I've clicked around enough on this thing. Guess that printer doesn't work. I'm stumped on the printer thing. Because it's supposed to be headquarters is supposed to see it. But if they have a VPN issue, how the heck am I supposed to fix it from here? That's the part I don't understand. It's like, how do they expect me to fix a headquarters VPN issue? Like, I can connect to the VPN. Can I print, though? Let me see. Can you even, how do you even print in the game? Can you even print? I don't think you can print. I don't even know how to test it. Yeah, how do I even test the printer if I can't even print? There's no print button. Okay, so he's talking about printer issues too. Okay, so maybe there is something fundamentally wrong with the printers. Let's check you out. You're at .173. I'm just trying stuff. Run that update.
Prayers up for anybody right now.
Okay, maybe this is a different printer issue. No, still not fixed. Taking a long time to process data. It's updated. Oh, data transmission 100. Okay, so it's slow. They said it was... Okay, so set it to 100. And the other was fix the printer. What else do you want me to do? It is a 173. Taking too long to process data. Maybe it needs something to be changed in the printer itself. Paper conditions good. Let's reboot it. I wonder something to be fixed in the printer itself, but nothing showed that it was in need of like service. Maybe something needs to be changed in the printer itself. So I got the data transmission rate fixed, but maybe something needs to be changed in the printer itself. Am I tripping about the IP? Like, are they just not IP'd right? If none of the three are working, but they say that they're all supposed to be these 170 dot 170, 171 through 179 or something like that. Yeah, 171 to 179. Or 10 dot. Which is kind of confusing, because what is the 10 dot network for? Key management and encryption method. Encryption method. Oh, there's information about the VPN. You need to switch to tunnel. Let me write that down. Tunnel. What was the other thing? Oh, man. In the day. I didn't see anything about encryption, though, when I was looking in the printer settings. Let's try again. It's like AES encryption and then tunnel. Let's see. Encryption method. Transport AES. Oh, those tasks are done. I think that was it, though. Man. Maybe I'll get some more printer tasks now that I know how to do printer stuff. Man, it takes a long time to learn some of this stuff, but I'll get there. I just gotta put more time in. Okay. So it was I never would have thought encryption for a printer with like the VPN not connected to it. I was just thinking about network, like network layer the whole time. Thinking that it needed to be like on a different network for the VPN to see it or something like that. Just the more you know. Oh yeah, email. Let's see. I'm fixing anything printer related right now. Folder, creating a folder, creating a folder. That's it? All folder stuff? Nothing printer related. All those expired, I guess. Man, I wanted a printer issue. Oh well. Well, at least I know next time. I know printers now. And I know that. Okay, so next time we'll know. I need to play this more. I am off. Hopefully for the rest of the week. We'll see. hopefully everything pans out where I'll have the rest of the week off. That would be so tight. But I'm not holding my breath. I'm just waiting for something to blow up at work and then be like, oh, no. No more PTO. But we'll see. I should be back on tomorrow. Aiming for like noon. I'm aiming for noon. Try not to make any promises because that always bites me in the butt. I'm going to try and be on tomorrow. I'm going to play some IT Simulator. And then I'm going to also try to play some arcade machine. I'm trying to get this set up. See, that other camera is already not working. See, why does that camera not want to work? Oh, I think I know. Oh, there it is. Okay, now it's working. So that's the arcade machine hand cam. And I'll be able to show my button presses. So that'll be what I'll work on for tomorrow. Yeah, okay. Trying to get this double camera setup going. But yeah, we'll try and play some more IT Simulator tomorrow. And then also play some arcade games on the arcade machine. But until then, peace out.